Shoppers will have to keep paying for plastic bags at some FairPrice outlets following what the supermarket chain calls a positive response. The year-long pilot aimed at cutting down use of the disposables will be extended for another year after helping to save 15.6 million plastic bags. Melissa Go has more.
Housewife Agnes Lim brings as many as 5 of her own bags when she goes grocery shopping.
This is our own small part to try to save the environment. I don't know this one charges because I forgot them one time and yeah, I had to pay for the plastic bag.
So do you need a plastic bag for your...
No, I already got 3.
It's 10 to 20 cents per transaction if shoppers want a bag at 25 FairPrice stores.
Then I thought, no, I'm not going to get plastic bags. I'm just going to get these because I saw them hanging on the racks. They're reusable.
The cost is pushing some to go the extra mile.
So I rather push it to my vehicle because now economy is bad. Then you all still charge people. I think it's very ridiculous.
The chain says about 7 in 10 shoppers at participating supermarkets turn down plastic bags, while close to 9 in 10 do the same at its convenience stores.
They still can understanding about the 20-cent chargeable for safe environment. Yeah, sometimes they're not bring, they don't want to charge 30 cents. We'll ask customers to take for free one. Because they got some customers, their donation for the bag for us.
But it says there have been customers who demanded excessive bags after paying the charge. The supermarket chain is the only major one here that asks shoppers to pay for its plastic bags. But it's not going to extend this to all its 280-odd stores yet, as it says it wants to take a more balanced and targeted approach. It has collected about $600,000 in plastic bag charges, which will go towards environmental and community causes. A 2018 study found that shoppers here take 820 million plastic bags from supermarkets each year. Dairy Farm, which manages cold storage and giant supermarkets, says programs like educating cashiers on proper packing methods helped cut the use of plastic bags by about 15% over the past year. It will roll out more initiatives next year.